Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix queued email problem on Gmail. Just follow my steps to fix this issue. First, let's try to send an email. I am sending a file. You can see here it says 1 unsent in outbox. Now if I go to the outbox of my Gmail, here we can see that the email is queued. It means that the email was not sent and it's still waiting to be sent. So let's start how to fix this problem. First you need to click on the 3 lines. And then go to Settings. I have multiple email in my phone, so showing all email. But if there was an email, there would be a show. Now select your specific email that you are using to send an email. And then here you need to scroll down to the bottom, and find Sync Gmail option. Now you need to uncheck the box here. After unchecking you need to restart your phone. After restarting open Gmail again. Click on 3 lines. Go to Settings. Select your specific email that you are using to send an email. And scroll down to the bottom, and find Sync Gmail option. And check the box again. And after that it will fix the queued email problem. Now let us check the outbox, and refresh this page if email not sending. As you can see the email is no longer here, it means email has been sent. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.